Chaozhou ancient city, nestled in Guangdong province, it boasts over 2,000 years of heritage, with preserved relics that offer a glimpse into its illustrious past. A standout feature is Guangji Bridge, an ingenious design merging stone arches with wooden pontoons, crafted in the Song dynasty. It's an iconic testament to ancient engineering. The city is also known for its rich Chaozhou culture, including Gongfu tea ceremonies and Chaozhou opera. Wandering through Paifang Street, you'll be greeted by 22 magnificent archways, each carrying tales of honor and tradition. The street is also a hotspot for sampling local delicacies that highlight Chaozhou flavors. Kaiwan Temple, a serene sanctuary with over a millennium of history, enchants visitors with intricate carvings and a tranquil atmosphere. The city further captivates with landmarks like the Huangjiliu Ancestral Hall, showcasing Qing dynasty woodwork artistry. But Chaozhou isn't just about its structures, it's a living expression of Chaozhou culture, renowned for the Gongfu tea ceremony and the mesmerizing performances of Chaozhou opera. Chaozhou ancient city reveals two captivating faces, depending on the time of day. Daytime adventures, bright sunlight highlights the intricate details of the city's ancient architecture. The Guangji Bridge's clever combination of stone and wood is a marvel to see in natural light. Strolling along Paifang Street, you'll notice the stories etched into its 22 ornate archways. The bustling tea houses invite you to experience the graceful Gongfu tea ceremony, while historical landmarks like Kaiwan Temple offer peace and a deep connection to the city's past. Nighttime magic, as darkness falls, the city transforms into an enchanting realm. Lanterns glow warmly along the streets, casting their reflections on the serene waterways. The illuminated Guangji Bridge becomes a stunning sight against the night sky. Street food markets spring to life, serving up Chaozhou specialties like oyster omelets and beef hot pot. The sound of Chaozhou opera drifting through the air adds a touch of cultural elegance to the nocturnal atmosphere.